Hey everyone, Luca here. Welcome back to another LTV Luca's Transport vlog. This is the view from my hotel in Canberra, overlooking the R1 Alinga Street to Gungahlin Place light rail, just opposite MacArthur Avenue light rail stop. I'll just hold the camera down there, so I'll look back there. Down there, as you can see, is MacArthur Avenue light rail stop. And so I'm going to film some trams for you guys, so sit back, relax and enjoy. And we've got a Cafe Boss 3 Alinga Street service. Arriving into MacArthur Avenue now, it is light rail LRV 002. So to my left here, and as I'm pointing the camera, that is MacArthur Avenue light rail stop, heading down towards Alinga Street. And this way is, can't really see that, but I'm pointing the camera towards Dixon Interchange and Gungahlin light rail stop. So yeah, down there is Alinga Street, Civic, Woden. If you go even further, that's where the light rail is going to continue. And then up there is Gungahlin, and if you keep on going, you get to the New South Wales ACT border. And we've got a Cafe Boss 3, which just stopped at MacArthur Avenue. It is a Gungahlin Place service. Should be departing shortly. And there it goes, off to Gungahlin. It was LRV 001. So there is a tram down at MacArthur Avenue, but I missed it because the camera was blurry and I didn't want to put a blurry shot of a tram through to you. But anyway, that was an LRV. I didn't catch the number because I was too busy trying to fix the camera for you. I'll get the next one as it comes through to Gungahlin. And we've got a Gungahlin Place service departing MacArthur Avenue. LRV 010. And we've got an LRV approaching. Cafe Boss 3011 for an Alinga Street service. Alinga Street service. LRV 005. That's going to now arrive into MacArthur Avenue. After that, it's going to stop at Ipima Street, Illura Street, and then Alinga Street. As you can see in the distance there, we've got an LRV to Gungahlin Place, Cafe Boss 3, departing Alinga Street, not Alinga Street, departing MacArthur Avenue now. I don't know why Alinga Street was on my mind. LRV 006. Now, one of the reasons why I also went to Canberra is because they've got the Cafe Boss 3 here. And in Sydney, the Cafe Boss 3, they've been put on standby. They were decommissioned, actually. The light rail line, the L1, was decommissioned due to cracks found in the bogies for the trams. We've got a Scania Bush Tech there. Just going there. Bus number 697. And they found cracks in the bogies of the Cafe Boss 3 trams in Sydney. And so it's always good to see them here in Canberra. This is LRV 007 doing an Alinga Street service. Next stop, Ipima Street, followed by Illura Street, and then Alinga Street, where it will terminate and then return. to Gungahlin Place. I nearly missed it because I was looking for photos of cracked trams, and this is a Gungahlin Place service, Cafe Boss 3011. LRV 009 operating in a Linga Street service, stopping now at MacArthur Avenue. We've got a Gungahlin Place service departing MacArthur Avenue now. It should come into view of the camera right now. Yes, there it is. LRV 005. A Linga Street service. LRV 012. Now arriving into MacArthur Avenue, its next stop will be Ipima Street, followed by Elura Street, and then its final stop, Linga Street, where it will terminate. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up from my hotel room window overlooking the R1 Linga Street to Gungahlin Place light rail line. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It'll be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Enjoy.